Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liagura's Moments, and on today's video we're gonna check Halo Infinite with keyboard and mouse on our Xbox Series S console. Let's go! So I'm gonna insert my keyboard and mouse to any USB port available on my console, and once I open the game, it's recognizing the new input immediately. You can see the mouse cursor on the screen and use the Halo menu with your keyboard and the mouse to select anything you want. You can even turn off the controller and use only your keyboard and the mouse for everything you need in the game. If you're using a wired headset and you need the controller to be turned on, then I recommend to turn off the vibration from the settings so it won't vibrate all the time, and plug your controller to your Xbox or other power source to keep it turned on while you're gaming. By pressing F1 you can access the settings, and here on the controller settings deactivate the vibration. On the next tab it's keyboard and mouse settings, where you can set up your movement, your aiming, the mouse sensitivity, and change your keyboard and mouse keybinds to your preference. Jumping into a game, the mouse and keyboard perform really good, and I wouldn't feel any difference comparing to a PC. The mouse is very smooth and pleasant to aim, and it works as it's supposed to work. Just perfect. If you don't know already, I'm a very bad player with a controller on first-person shooter games, as I find it so difficult to aim with the thumbsticks. So let's make a funny comparison. I will play a game first with a controller and after with my keyboard and mouse, and let's see if I'm gonna become a better player. Let's go check with the controller first. The movement with the controller feels really good, but the aim with the thumbsticks is really pain in the ass, for me. If you want to see a highlight of me dying, this would be the video. I even tried to change my keybinds a bit to something more comfortable, but nothing helped. I still kept dying and dying again. At the end my team lost the game, obviously, and I had 1 kill only and 8 deaths. This is shit. And the only kill I made is this one. The guy actually just fell by himself and died.
Good shooting, Spartan.
Unbelievable. So I think this score proves that I'm not a controller player, so let's turn off this thing. Yeah, and let's get rid of it totally and try my mouse and my keyboard and make some kills. Let's go. Playing with keyboard and mouse immediately feels better and more natural for me. I didn't manage to get kills straight away, but at least I was putting a fight before dying and damaging my opponents. I really felt I had a chance to compete against those players, and my aim was much better. And this time we can have a killing highlight.
What a reliable weapon. Outstanding.
Alright guys, look at that, 3 total kills. Of course we died 12 times, but it's okay, I actually performed very well. I felt good moving in the map, fighting opponents and aiming and shooting at them, comparing to the controller, which I was totally terrible. At least here I tried my best. I managed to shoot a couple times before they killed me, so it was actually pretty good to playing with the keyboard and mouse. Playing couple more times with mouse and keyboard, my reactions start to be faster, and with little more practice, I could definitely compete with those 10 years old.
Not today.
As you see, if you struggle with a controller, keyboard and mouse can make you a better player and you will enjoy more the game. I'm not saying that you shouldn't use the controller, just for me it's very hard to get used to it, and I believe if you're not putting the hours to play with the controller, it's easier to play with mouse and keyboard, at least for the aim. I'm very happy that Halo supports keyboard and mouse input, and as you know, Halo is Xbox inclusive game. That means it's only available on Xbox consoles, so Xbox users enjoy it with keyboard and mouse. Let me know which other game you would like me to try and check my list of 20 best games that you can enjoy on your Xbox or other console with keyboard and mouse. Check the video right here.